Finding people online is easy. Finding the right people is where solopreneurs waste the most time and money. You're digging through LinkedIn, scrolling Instagram bios, cold DMing people who have zero interest in what you sell. And 2 hours later, you've got nothing to show for it. As a solopreneur, you don't have a sales team doing this for you. It's just you, which means you can't afford to burn half your day on research that doesn't convert. There has to be a better way. And today, there is. I'm Mike Garvey Jr., and today, I'm showing you a tool called Lessie AI that finds qualified, relevant contacts based on your specific offer. Whether you're selling a digital product, running an affiliate offer, doing UGC, or growing your personal brand, this is going to save you some serious time. So let's get into it. Lessie AI is an AI-powered tool that finds qualified contacts based on your specific goals. You describe the type of person you're looking for, and it goes out and pulls a focused, organized list of real people who already show signals that they need what you offer. Think about what that means for you as a solopreneur. Whether you're selling a course, pushing an affiliate offer, looking for brand deals, pitching UGC services, or trying to connect with other creators to collab, Lessie AI finds the right people so you can skip straight to the conversation. No scraping tools, no technical skills, no jumping between 10 different platforms. Just describe who it is that you want to find and let AI do the work. Let me make this concrete with an example that'll hit home if you're in the solopreneur space. So say you offer Instagram content strategy coaching, or maybe you have a digital product for beginners who want to monetize their personal brand. Normally, you're scrolling through Instagram guessing who's in the right stage of their journey, cold DMing people with no real signal. It's a grind. But with Lessie AI, you write a specific prompt instead, something like find solopreneurs, side hustlers, and beginner content creators in the US on Instagram and LinkedIn who are trying to grow their audience and monetize their personal brand. Particularly people posting about side income, financial freedom, or building an online business. Hit search, and Lessie AI starts pulling profiles from multiple public data sources. And here's what makes it different. It's not just grabbing names. It's looking at context, what people post about, what they promote, what they mention in their bio, and matching that against what you're looking for. So the list you get back isn't random, it's relevant. Inside Lessie AI, the results come back organized and clean. You see names, roles, company info, location, and available contact details all in one place. You can click into individual profiles, review them, and decide who's a good fit. Then with one click, you save them into your own list inside the platform. You can even build separate lists for different offers. One list for your course launch, one for your affiliate push, one for potential collab partners. Everything stays clean and separated so you're not mixing up your outreach. This is huge for solopreneurs because we're usually juggling multiple income streams at once. Now your lead lists actually match your strategy. Here's the feature I think is the most underrated. It's called reasoning. Once your list is built, Lessie AI can analyze it and tell you who to prioritize first and why. It looks at each profile and gives you a breakdown. The person's role, what they post about, how closely they match your offer, and ranks them by potential. For a solopreneur doing their own outreach, this is gold. Instead of messaging 50 people the same generic way, you know exactly who to hit first and what angle to use. That's how you turn a list into actual revenue. When you're ready to take action, Lessie AI lets you export your list as an Excel or CSV file with one click. You get a clean table with names, LinkedIn profiles, emails, company info, job titles, locations, everything you need. If you're running a business with a CRM, Notion database, or even a simple Google Sheet, you can plug this right in and build your follow-up system around it. What would normally take days of manual research is done in minutes. And then Lessie AI takes it one step further. You can actually send emails directly from inside the platform. You select your contacts by clicking Write Email, and it generates a personalized outreach message based on your service and your audience. The more specific you are in your prompt, what you offer, what results you help people get, the tone you want, the stronger the email it writes and send. Your whole workflow, from finding the right people to starting the conversation, happens in one place. That's the kind of efficiency that lets you run a serious business as a one-person operation. Quick note, Lessie AI only works with publicly available information. Professional profiles, public business contact details, things that are already visible online. So no shady data scraping, no privacy violations. You're just using public info in a smarter, faster way. The solopreneur game is won by whoever can move the fastest with the least friction. Tools like Lessie AI let you operate at a level that used to require a whole team, and that's exactly the kind of leverage we're about on this channel. If you want to try Lessie AI for yourself, the link is in the description. Use the invitation code to unlock their special offer, create your account, run your first search, save a list, and send your first AI written email. The whole workflow takes maybe 20 minutes, and you'll walk away with a qualified list of people you can actually talk to. If this was helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment telling me what kind of leads you go after first, and subscribe if you're not already. I drop content like this every week on tools, strategies, and systems to help you build your solopreneur income. I'll see you in the next one.